Okay, for saving images for the web, I'm finding out a bunch of students, not everybody, but a bunch of students are having an error when they go to File, Export, Save for Web. If you are one of these students where this option is giving you an error, that is a glitch in Photoshop that we won't be able to fix in time. It might just be like an updating thing, I'm not sure. So here's what you can still do. Here's what you're going to do instead. One of the parts of the assignment is to save it as a JPEG. So when you go up to File, instead of going to Export, you're going to go to Save As. It takes a minute on mine. There we go. So you will add in your initials. I'll call this B. Jared. And then whatever it is, we're going to call it like web assignment or whatever. So that's not any different. The different part is where it says Save as Type. And it says Photoshop. You're going to click on that and choose, there's 3 JPEGs. You're going to choose the one that's only JPEG, not JPEG 2000, not JPEG stereo, just a regular old JPEG. Then you'll hit Save. And you can accept whatever it says here and just hit OK. And now you just output your file as a JPEG instead of a Photoshop file, which is what you want. Another part of the assignment is you're going to take out the background of some object. And I'll do it badly here, just to give you the idea. This isn't teaching you how to do the cutting out part. I'm just making it an example. You'll have some sort of image and the background will be deleted so that it's a checkerboard. That means there's no pixel information. To output this as a PNG file, you're going to do the same thing as before. File, and since the export is not working, we'll go to Save As. And you'll give it whatever name you want. I'll do B. Jared, PNG file, assignment. You name it whatever you're going to name it. And instead of Save As Type Photoshop, you will output it as a PNG file. There you go. And hit Save. So that part of the assignment will be done. And then the last part is where you make the animation. There's 3 files you're turning in for the assignment. And one of them is going to be an animated GIF. Now, since you can't save as an animated GIF, you can just go to Save As, give it the name, call this one animation or web animation. Once you do all the steps for the animation, you'll name it and then save as type and leave it as a Photoshop. Then you'll upload all 3 files. I'll still be able to get into the Photoshop file, check the animation and watch it. If you want your GIF back as something you want for your phone or something, let me know and I can output it as an animated GIF and send it back to you, because for whatever reason it's working on mine. And I'll be able to save it as an animated GIF. I hope that helps.